buddy, time for another video.
Yep. Hello everyone, how you doing? My name is Will. Like Paul over here. We're from New England Foundation Crack Repair. We're going to be talking a little bit about stone repointing today for you guys.
All right, so here you can see this house was built in 1898. Big giant granite blocks, really nice. But the mortar is deteriorated. It's kind of salty. At this point here, this is where water will actually saturate through that mortar. You'll start to get water in the basement. It also needs to be replaced just for its structural integrity. Keep the house nice and solid. We use high strength commercial grade mortar. You want to make sure you use high strength commercial grade mortar. If you're going to like the depot, don't get the orange bags. That's the general purpose mailbox setting, whatever, you know, stuff you use it for. But we're going to clean this all out, replace it with new mortar,
stop all the water infiltration from coming in, and the next time they're going to have to do maintenance on their foundation will be anywhere from between 20 to 30 years from now.
Yep.